everybody, welcome back. Sweet Charity here. Call me Charity. What are we doing today? Well, we're gonna roast that chicken that we trussed. And if you wanna know how to truss a chicken, click there and then come back. We've got our oven preheated to 375 degrees. Sometimes you wanna use an oven thermometer to make sure that your oven is actually the degree that it tells you that it is, because sometimes ovens are liars. Little bit of olive oil. Okay. Always make sure that your hands and your digits are clean before you get into this business. Okay. Got it all mixed up. We got a nice even layer on the bottom here. And now we're going to grab our chicken. Let's grab some olive oil. So we're just going to take this and get it all over that bird. Now I'm going to save one hand for the oil, one hand for the chicken. Let's rub that in there. You really want to make sure that you get as much of it covered as you can. Down into the nooks and crannies there. Okay. Let's flip this bird over with our clean hand. Some more oil. And a little bit more for good measure on the veggies. Now, we are going to first roast it on one leg. Generally speaking, with poultry, with chicken and turkey, you want to do about 15 minutes per pound. This bird is about 4.5 pounds, so we're looking at, about an hour and 10 minutes, give or take. So we're gonna do 20 minutes on this side, then we're gonna rotate it, and we're gonna do 20 minutes on the other side, and then we're gonna finish it breast up, and we'll baste it with any juices that there are. It's a little courtesy trick from the great Jacques Pepin. Bird looks good. Let's get it in the oven. 375, 20 minutes on one leg. We're gonna flip it over on the other leg for 20 minutes, and then we're gonna put it on its back for 20 minutes, and then we'll baste it with some juices, and we'll check the temperature. You always wanna make sure that minimum internal temperature for chicken is 165 degrees. If it's higher than that, that's cool, but it can't be lower than that. It's gotta be at least 165 degrees internal temperature for at least 15 seconds. And in the oven we go. All right, bird's in the oven. I have the rack on the second lowest because you can see on the side that bird gets pretty high and we don't want to burn the wingy. All right, we'll see you in 20. 20 minutes is up. We've got our chicken out, and no, it's not ready, but we need to flip it. So, got our tongs. Do not touch this. It is hot because it just came out of the oven. All right. You want to be careful not to pierce any of the chicken, because that'll release juices, and we don't want to do that yet. All right, so we got it on its other leg. Going back into the oven, 375 for another 20 minutes. See you then. Okay, our other 20 minutes is up. So now it's time for it to go on its back. It's gonna go the rest of the 20 minutes with the breast face up. All right, the last 20 minutes on this roasted chicken has completed, and we've got a nice color going here, but we do want to baste it a little bit with some of these juices. And you can hear though, as I'm, I don't know if you can hear it, but I can. As I'm brushing this on, you can hear how the skin has crisped up, which is nice. That's what we're looking for, Give this a nice brushing. I've got a digital thermometer here. You want to stick it into the leg here, because that's where the densest part is. And it's kind of stalling around 146. So we still have a little bit more time to go because it's stalling at 146. So we're gonna take that out, we'll baste it a little bit more, and then we'll get it back in the oven. All right, our chicken is done. It's reached 165 degrees for at least 15 seconds. And it has a wonderful golden skin to it. That is a very simple roasted chicken. I hope that you enjoyed this episode, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'm gonna really look forward to eating this bird. All right, I hope to see you next time. Thanks again for joining me. Have a great night.